Hey guys, it's Miss Dallas Reyes. Today we're talking about domain and range, specifically when you have discrete data. So, domain basically means X values, range basically means Y values. So, I've shown you the 4 different types of relations and where the X values are and where the Y values are. And that's as simple as it gets. So here, we're going to identify the domain. A couple things I want you to know: when you write domain for discrete data, you want to use set notation, which means you're going to use these little wavy brackets. And you want to list them from least to greatest. So domain means X, so we're going to look at all of these X values right here. And we're going to order them from least to greatest. -8 is the smallest number. It shows up twice, but you only need to write it down once. Then -6, then -2, then 0, and then 10. The range is the Y values. So we're going to do the same thing, least to greatest. The smallest number is -9, then -7, then -6, -5, -1, and 1. There's another way that you could also list them. You could list them corresponding. So here, the domain, you want to have it least to greatest for sure. But for range, you technically could also list it corresponding. So -8 pairs up with -6. -6 pairs with -7. -2 pairs with -5. 0 pairs with 1. And 10 pairs with -1. And that would be okay too. All right, so the domain, again, X values, set notation. In a table, it's nice because they're all right here, and it's already ordered from least to greatest. The range, right here, these are listed corresponding, which is fine, so I'm just going to write it down as you see it. And notice here, -4 shows up twice. If you're going corresponding, it is a good idea to write it down twice, just so that you can pair them up, but you don't have to necessarily, so it's really up to you. Okay, ordered pairs. Ordered pairs are a little bit trickier. I personally would start by writing down the location of each point. So this first point here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, -5, 1. This one is 3, 5. This one is 7, 0. This one is 0, -3. This is 3, -4. And this one is 9, -8. And then from there, I would list the domain from least to greatest. So the domain are the X values. So let's find the smallest one first. The smallest one is -5. Then, and I crossed it out just so I know that I've already written it. 0, 3, 7, and 9. And then for my range, for this one I'm going to do at least to greatest. So -8, -4, -3, 0, 1, and 5. Mapping's fairly easy. The first oval is X. The second oval is Y. It's nicely listed for you. So for the domain, simply write -5, -4, -3, and -2. For the range, write everything in the oval, 1, 2, 3, 4. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Bye.